we putting the camshaft cover on?
Yeah.
The cylinder head cover? It's new. We painted it. We made it look brand new. We put all new spark plug seals, right? Spark plug tubes. We got them almost full tight. Daddy broke one of these a long time ago. The first time he ever... Uh-oh. We need our magnet. Where did it go?
It's right there.
Where's the wrench? Can you see it?
I need to give me the magnet.
Yeah, if we had the magnet, we could fish it out, huh? Here's the magnet. Oh, I see it. It's right there. It's right there. You see it?
Okay.
Wyatt, look right there. See it? It's not on the floor. It's right there. You almost got it. You got it. Uh-oh. Ah, it's hard. Be careful, you gotta go slow. All right, go slow. Oh my goodness, go slow. Be careful. Yeah, you got it. Good job.